Abbas.
Hi.
Choose some navel orange.
Oh, thank you very much.
How does it taste?
It's so sweet. Where did you get this?
Actually, this is from Ganzhou Xinfeng County. Do you want to go and see?
Yes, why not?
We are finally here in the hometown of Gannan, navel orange, Xinfeng. So how do you feel?
Yeah, I am feeling good and it's going to be a wonderful experience.
Actually, I have invited the owner of this orchard here. You can ask him to introduce whatever you want to know. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
我们赣南脐橙闻名全球，它是有原因的。你看我们产出来的果，这个颜色鲜艳，相当好看。叶呢，这个皮嫩，皮薄露厚。
哦，
它闻起来呢，香气浓郁，并且呢，它的质毒，你看它的营养价值呢，也是相当高的啊，都走维生素，还有特别是维生素 C 高。欢迎全球人来我们赣南。
哦，谢谢你。
尝尝我们赣南的脐橙。
那刘会长，咱们这个脐橙什么样才最甜啊？
这个树上这么多，你们去挑吧。
好，我们继续看看。
Okay.
去看一看。
Maybe this has good one. Ashley, I have heard there is an international navel orange expo.
Really? Let's go and have a look.
Make some food.
Abbas, so now we are at the expo venue.
I am curious and excited what's going on inside the expo. Let's go and explore.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, hello, hello. How is going everything?
Everything is very good. Everything is orange.
Because we are on the Gannan Navel Orange Expo.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's go and have a look together.
I think this expo is amazing and it's so colorful, and I saw so many cultural things, also technological things. And I'm so happy that I saw so many orange because I love orange. It's so sweet, so juicy.
There are lots of impressive things in this expo because you can see a lot of goods, agricultural goods, and also it helps in the development of the humans around it. Because now we are living in a global world. We are one family in the same universe, and I'm also looking forward that in the next expo.
Hello, madam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes, this is my first time to this expo. I'm very impressed by the entire setup. So they not only are promoting the Gannan orange. I think the Gannan orange has already established itself as an international product, and the fact that it's being imported to major orange, navel orange producing countries like America and also the Europe, I think shows its confidence in the market.
Yeah.
And I think this itself shows the level of its quality and also the standard that it represents.
Abbas, where did you go? I didn't find you.
Yeah, I was wandering around and I met with some international students and I was looking around with them. Now I am curious that how these Gannan Navel oranges are processed and shipped to the consumers.
Okay, then we have one place to go. It's the Gannan Navel Orange Factory. Should we go?
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Go.
赣南脐橙是我们赣南的一个支柱产业。首先，我们依托我们赣南脐橙这个品牌卖到世界各地和卖到全国各地的话呢，也增加了我们产品的一个附加值。那么工人呢，都是附近的村民，他们呢也依靠这个产业，他们也增加了他们的一个收入。我们每年都有1000多万斤的脐橙要出口到各个国家去。我们不但卖到泰国，我们还卖到了东南亚其他的一些国家，比方说像马来西亚、新加坡、菲律宾、越南。目前我们也是在积极的开拓其他的国外市场，也许未来也会把我们橙子卖到你的家乡巴基斯坦。
Gannan Navel Orange has become a bright business card of Jiangxi economy.
With its excellent quality and taste, it not only enjoys a high reputation in the domestic market, but also exported to many other countries, enhancing the international visibility of Jiangxi agricultural products and brings the sweetness of Jiangxi to the world.